Students, good morning. Students who are in the online, am I audible? Okay, so let us move to the further. So previous class, we already done the functions called linear algebra. What are the functions in linear algebra? Dot of, sort of, sort of. Yesterday you are absent, I know. Online, okay, tell me. Online means okay. Tell me. Dot of, sort of. Sort of is there, not there. Huh? Huh? Linear of. Linear of. What is that linear of? Huh? Number I don't want. Number I don't want because you are not a small kid. Instead of how many are there? As our student said seven. Even I don't remember seven, but I know the names. Tell me what are the names? Dot of, huh? Inner of, outer of, hmm, det of. Come on, right, right. Range of. So I'll tell you. First function is dot of. You know 1D, 2D how it works. Very very important that area is dot of. Next is inner of, outer of. Next, det of, determinant, det of. Next is called, right. Next is called solve, solve of. Spell out. Next, trace of, INV of, INV. Spell out. Speak clearly. Speak. Shall I send you the mic? Mic is also there for you. Shall I send you the mic? Shall I send you? You want to speak in the mobile? Speak out. Test it once. No? Take it. Say, I'll ask one question. Take it. No? So, mic is ready. Girls want to speak? Huh? Want to speak? No. So, come to the point of it. All of you, trace off. Now you'll enter into the further. And yesterday, the diagonal, what is that? AX is equal to B, X is equal to BA inverse. So, yesterday I did not test it, students. I'll test it today. I'll let me know that. Because we got something mistake we got in that. I'll test it and I will let me know about it. Okay, now you tested after going to home. మీరంతా టెస్ట్ చేసింటారు మీకు యు ఆర్ ఆల్ వర్కింగ్ ఇన్ సిఎంఓ ఆఫీస్ పిఎంఓ ఆఫీస్ బిజీ విత్ డొనాల్డ్ ట్రంప్ ఐ థింక్ సో బిజీయా దెన్ యు నీడ్ టు టెస్ట్ ఇట్ నౌ అట్లీస్ట్ టెస్ట్ ఇట్ వాంట్ టు స్పీక్ ఇన్ ద ఫోన్ సో నౌ ఐ విల్ మూవ్ టు ద ఫర్దర్ సో ఐ విల్ గో టు sort function, students. Sort function I will go for it. Today I will talk about miscellaneous universal functions also I will explain. Sort of. Spell out. Sort of. This is known as NUMPY sorting the data. NUMPY sorting the data. Sorting the data. To sort this data, we'll use a function called what? Sort of. Sort of I will write it. NUMPY dot sort of. What I'll pass here? ND array object I'll pass it. So let's start up. Yes. So Rohit Kumar, Donald Trump busy with immigrants, sir. Okay. That's why I say do service for India, students. Do service for India. Why are you going there? Do service for India. Those companies only will come to India. They will establish here only. You will get dollars here only. You work like that. You work like that. You work like that. In 1999, I got Florida direct offer. I got it from the company. Their free guest house, everything. If you want, I will bring that papers of visa and offer letter of my company. And C++ I got in 1999 only. I did not. I did not gone there. Why I applied, first of all, why I applied Viceroy Hotel, that interview I was conducted. I got C++ 50 out of 50. I wondered. Directly processed my papers and everything. Rejected. I was willing to go, but I rejected because of one strong reason. Sentiment reason, that is. My mother's sentiment reason. I stopped. But whenever I feel something, when you are not answering, I'll see my US papers once. Right? So do service for India. Okay, now do service for India. Okay? Right. Don't go here and there. Do service. All companies will come here only. You'll get in dollars salary and all. Okay? Say. Uh, yes, sir, you will say, but you will go there only. Right. Come to the point of it, students. Go to the place. Now I'm going to. Now here, go to Jupyter Notebook. So here, screen got stuck up. So Pragnadeep Mohanty. So Pragnadeep Mohanty's screen got stuck up. Is it happens with other students? Is this is happening with other students? Is the screen got stuck up? No, sir. Working fine. So Pragnadeep, you please relog in, my dear students, once again. Okay. So let us move to the further. Now I'll go to sorting the data. So NumPy, sorting the data. Sorting the data. Here I am writing it. Right. Let us go to import NumPy as NP. A is equal to NP dot array of take some data 10 to 13 and then 14 and then 25 and then 16 and then 16. Here I'm having something like, -1 and 0 and then 23. This is my data. Print of what? So given data, given ND array data, there I'm writing A, A. So this is my given data, students. Now I want to sort it. Now I want to sort it. Now I want to sort it. Here I'm going to. Here I will go for getting it. So here I'm going to write it. NP dot what sort of A. And I'll keep the data in where itself A. So if I go to this place, what is happening? You see, the data is sorted or not? Data is sorted. Which order? Ascending order. Ascending order. Okay. And if I print my data once again there, if I print my data once again here, it is printing what data? Original data only. So to make it changes, what should I do? Get this data, make it as what? A is equal to. A is equal to print of sorted data. Print of sorted data. Sorted data. Sorted ND array data. Sorted ND array data. I'm writing it. So given data and sorted ND array data getting here. Are you following me? Yes. And I want to get descending order. How to get descending order is my question now. Anybody can answer, I will send you the mic for you. Come on, how do you answer it? I will say A colon -1. Already you know the beauty of the topic. Here only, this is by default gives you what? Ascending order. This will give you by default ascending order. I want to get it in where? Descending order. So of what? Colon -1. So gives in descending order. Gives in descending order. Gives in descending order. So go for that. So I'm getting in which order? Descending order. Sometimes they will ask you, find the second maximum, find the second minimum, something, the type of questions will come. And the students will say message, sir, there is a complex question is coming, sir. Find the second minimum, find the second maximum, there is a left and left finger. What is the second maximum? Here if we go to it, Second maximum is nothing but what? A of 1 only, na? Right or not? If it is in descending, A of 1 is called what? Second maximum. What is the minimum? A of minus 1. What is the second minimum? A of minus 2. They are all very, very simple. Are you following me? So in this, as a simple thing, I'm writing max element. Max element is equal to, these are all very simple students. A of what, ma? 0. A of 0. Next I will write what? Tell me. Second, next is called what? Man. Second max. Second max. What is that? A of 1. Next is called what? Print of what? Min value. Min element. Min element is equal to what? A of minus 1. A of minus 1. Next I will write it what? Second minimum element. Second minimum element is equal to A of what? Minus 2. So I'm going to get the data. Are you getting me? So along with this, you can print A value here, print A value here, which was already in descending order. You got the data like this. Understood? Well, so this is called what dimension? 1D. 1D. Okay? Well, up to here, no problem at all. Even in our Python also, we applied what? Sort function. We applied sorted function also. Sorted. Sort of. LST dot sort of. Sorted of any kind of data you can pass it. Sorted of any non-iterable object if you pass. Sorted will return the data in the form of list. You know that? Yes. That I used to tell in the Python classes itself. Well, students, now I'm entering into further 2D I'm going to take up. 2D I am going to take up here. So be careful, students. Now I'm going to take up, this is the data. How many elements are there, mom? 3, 3, 9 elements are there. Come on. Reshape of 3 comma 3. 3 comma 3 I'm going to take up. 3 comma 3 I'm going to take up. This is my given ND array data. Now I want to go for sorting of 2D. Sorting of 2D. So there I'm writing. Here I'm writing. Sorting of what? 2D. 2D data. 2D data. Start with. Everybody. Come on. So here I'm writing same thing. NP dot. NP dot. What is that? Sort of A. Here, when 2D comes in sort, you will get immediately a doubt. Is it row wise sorting or column wise sorting? Is it a total element sorting? This is called what? If I want to sort it total wise, you have to flatten this list. You have to flatten. Flatten means what? Let everything in this, sort it, reshape it. Sort it and reshape it. But here I want to go for, this is my matrix. I want to sort it with the row wise, for example. What is the answer is coming? 2, 10, 13. Next, come on, 14 and 16 and 25. Next what, ma? Minus 1, 0, 23, which is by default, it is in sorted only. This is called what? Row wise sorted, students. Row wise sorted. Could you follow me? Easy. Now, column wise sorting also, I want to take it. Column wise sorting also. What is the column wise sorting you see? Minus 1, 10, and then 14. Next, ma, 0 to 25. Next, 13, 16, 23. This is called what? Column wise. Column wise sorting, this is called what? Right. Now I am going to say here column is equal to 0. Axis is equal to 0 is called a column. Axis is equal to 1 means what? Row. Previously, axis values are different. Statistical axis values are different. Statistical axis value and sorting axis value same. No more confusion. This is my given data and sorted data. I'm going to print it. Please observe, all of you. This is going to be the matrix. Please observe the rows once. Is it row wise sorting or not? Row wise sorting. That means by default, sort function will sort in row wise. So here I will write it by default by default sort the 2D array data, 2D array data, 2D array data on the basis of what? On the basis of what? On the basis of row. On the basis of row. On the basis of row. Following me? Yes. Now I will go for keeping in A only. I will print what? Sorted, 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 ND array data, ND array data with what? Row wise. Row wise. Right. Row wise. Well, print off what here? Yeah. So I'm getting this data. I'm getting this data here. So see students, I'm getting in by default row wise sorting. Are you following me? Well, same thing. I will go for the same mechanism. Observe. Here I'm writing, comma, axis is equal to 1. Axis is equal to 1 means what? Row. Axis 0 says here what I said 2 minutes back, column. Axis 1 is called what? Row. This is nothing but I said row wise here basis of row in the bracket axis is equal to 1. It is చాలా important. Axis will change the value from point to point. That you have to remember. Once you get the job, you forget no problem. But until you get the job, you have to remember. Correct? Right. So, and I'm going to write axis is equal to 1, I said. So here I'm writing it. See the same output is coming. Axis is equal to 1, I said. Same output is coming or not? Previous output also same. This output here I did not mention axis. Here also I mentioned axis here. Got it or not? Perfect. Now this is next I will go for sorting the data based on what? Columns. Sorting the data based on columns. Sorting the data based on columns. Sort 2D array data basis of what? Column. Column I will take it. Here I am writing axis is equal to what? 0. Axis is equal to 0. See my dear students, all of you. Are you observing now? Yes, see minus 1, my 10 and 14. This one you observe it now? 0 to 25. This one you observe? This is by default like this only. Are you following me? This is based on what? 7 columns. Column based on column. But somebody is asking like this. What they are asking? Sort it with a complete sorted complete matrix in the order only. I mean, this is a if I take it, come on, what is this now? 0, minus 1. Tell me, minus 1, 0, 2. Come on, next 10, 13, 14, 16, 23, 25. This is the one I want to go for it. This is the one I want to go for it. How to do this? This is called sorting the NDRA data complete matrix. Sorting the data of the complete 2D. So sorting the 2D, sorting the complete data of 2D, complete data of 2D in 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 ascending order by default. So how to do that? We are going to take up this. What you do is you go for the same thing only. Okay, this is coming like that. No doubt in that. Flatten the list. How do you go for that? Flatten the list because they are giving 3 by 3 matrix for you. What you will do? Flatten, flatten, flatten the list, flatten the 2D data. How do you flatten? I forget. A equal to good. A is equal to np dot flatten. Madhu Bavulu flatten. FLA FLATTEN flatten. Ravel flatten. Copy view like that. ఒకనొక రోజు ఫ్లాటన్ ఆఫ్, రావెల్ ఆఫ్, కాపీ ఆఫ్, వ్యూ ఆఫ్ డిస్కస్ చేయడం జరిగింది. One day it was discussed of flatten and review with Ravel with base memory efficiency performance already explained of what I'm saying. Yeah. Now I'm going to take something. Yunus, once upon a time, not like that. Long ago, like that. Once upon a time is very long back. Long ago means for you long ago, but for me every day it is in the brain only. Students, be sincere students. So NDRA data, that NDRA data, I'm going to print it for you. Here I'm writing A, which is getting flattened. Is it getting? This is flatten. So A dot to flatten up, A dot to flatten off, A dot to flatten off. So A dot to flatten off. Is it getting flatten or not? Yes. A dot to flatten off, A dot ravel off, A dot copy, NP dot copy, differences I said, view and all those, base attribute and all. Yes. This is called like this. Now I'm going to take it. After flatten, what I do? I will reshape it. A is equal to A dot what? Shape. While I'm shaping it, I will call it as what? NP dot sort of. NP dot sort of. A will put it. And I will go for what? A dot shape is equal to. Shape is equal to. What I'll write it? 3 comma 3 I will write it. So I will go for printing sorted ND array data. Sorted ND array data I'm going to write it. Sorted ND array data of A. Like this it is getting printed. Are you following me now? This is a way you need to take it. Flatten. You can write here, no doubt in that. I will use what? A dot shape is equal to 9 comma I can write it. But try to use always flatten. So because when you go to an interview, they will ask you, why are you using flatten? What is flatten? You can tell to flatten, you can tell additionally to make the interviewer under control, where the Ravel also is there. Definitely will ask you what is Ravel. He is following you. Follow up undali meeku. Somebody need to follow you. What is Ravel? Ravel you will explain. There is a difference in Ravel. Base is there. You'll say, what is base centered? You need to show the base with example. Memory management you need to tell. Where to prefer what? Already notes is given for you. Given or not given? Given. అంతా ఉంటది. ఏ బ్యాంక్ లో డిపాజిట్ చేస్తారు? Which bank you deposited the notes? Huh? So come to the point back. This is done. Are you following me? Right. This is about, in simple word, any data is given, you flatten it and apply the sort and then get it into the shape of like that. Are you following? Right. So yellow t-shirt. Doubt? Doubt? Stand up. You're talking to your friend. Stand up first. Huh? Bottle is asking. Okay. If any doubt is there, let me know. I will explain to you. Give the bottle. You want to drink water. Over? Okay. You want to take my water? No, no? Okay. Fine. Because he is fearing. He is talking like that. Keeping the hand like this and talking. He's thinking that Sir don't know. Sir also did the same thing in college only. Don't think that KVR sir will not. KVR sir is very affectionate on you. I will find everything of your event. Okay, now don't think like that. Sir will not. Sir also everyday student only. Right? Don't think like that. Because I also did the same thing in my college. Sir is watching, we'll say like this. We will speak. Sir, that time you don't know. Because that sir did not do that time. Because he is a very sincere. Right? Right. So learn the subject. Now I'll move to this. This is comes under what? Sorting of NDRA data. Now I'm entering into, now you are entering into, huh? So coming to the point back to other kind of things. Now I'm entering into what? Universal functions I'm going to discuss, which is also very, very important. Universal functions I'm going to discuss, students. So let me go to the further. Universal functions means what? Sum. Sorry. Sum. Sum. I'm going to talk about it. Actually, the concept is NUMPY universal functions. So NUMPY universal functions I'm going to talk. Universal functions. There I am going to find out different mechanisms here. Discrete events I will tell you. Sum and sum, for example. Sum. What is that? Sum of. Add of. What is the difference between add and sum? What is the difference between add and sum? Actually, people says both of them are same. Both of them are same, they will say, but they are completely different. Add will add two values only. Summation means what? Sequence of values, if you add, that is called summation. Add means what? Adding two values is called what? Add. So when you go to an interview, you have to show this. So add is different. Now I'm going to write it what? Read out. Read out. Sum of next CUM. Spell out. Stands for your favorite answer, cumulative sum. Cumulative sum means what? Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, for example. What the sum? Cumulative sum says 1. No? 1 plus 2 is called what? 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is called what? 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is called what? Come on. 10. 10. Next, this is called one time cumulative. 2 times cumulative I want. Come on. 1 plus 3 is called what here? 4. Next, 1 plus 6 is called what? Come on. 7. 1 plus 3 plus 6. Sorry. 1 plus 3 plus 6. What is that? 10. Yes, 10. 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10. Come on. 20. That is called a second cumulative sum. Third cumulative sum. What is the third cumulative sum? Come on. 4. 4. 4 plus 10. 14. 4 plus 10 plus 20. Come on. 34. Next. Cumulative sum next. Come on. 48. Like this. First time cumulative, second time cumulative, third time cumulative. Like that we are going on getting it. And if I like take an example, intermediate first year marks are coming. Out of 470, you are getting some marks or not? When you write second year, what they will do? Cumulative sum they will do. Previous sum marks plus this sum marks will be cumulated and giving you what? Final report or not? 985 out of 2 years. First year is what? 470, 468 out of 470. Next year sum plus this year sum will be cumulated and giving you final sum or not? Yes. Semester wise, if you want to get final CGPA, previous CGPAs will be cumulated or not? That is called sum and cumulative sum. CUM. You have to confuse the interviewer when you go to interview. CUM. You will ask what is CUM. You have to take your laptop and you have to show the example. Okay now? Next. Come on. Now I will go to what? Product. Spell out. Right. So, Balaji, I am also feeling both are same. Now Balaji is realizing both of them are different. Now you are feeling same or different, Balaji? Balaji. Balaji is my student. 14 years back is my Java student. Balaji is a 14 years back is my Java student. Now different it is. Now, so come to the point of it. He is a working employee. He is my Java student. So many years back. How I come to know when he joined the class, I come to know he is my Java student so many years back. I feel very happy for it. Now, 8 years back, 8 years back. 8 years back. Now, come on. I feel very happy because like that. There is a Sumant is there working in Helvet Packet. He is attending my 4 o'clock yesterday onwards. He is a project manager in HP. He is attending my Python because he got the information from the company migrate to Python attending. So when I said yesterday, I felt very happy for it. So come to the point. Now next is what is available. Cumulative product. Are you following this? Product. Multiply. How many products you know? Come on, you need to fire when they ask product. What is the product? Multiplication of two numbers, multiply of elements of 2D, inner product, outer product, dot product, cumulative product. When you say these many products, you will appreciate students. And star operator to multiply two values. So like that, starting from Python, ending with starting with the next 1D, 2D, all products if you explain, let's say expert. Like this, I'm going on showing some type of what? Universal functions I'm going to explain. Shall I? Right. And don't feel that I'm not writing that because they are dead easy for you. How they are available to you. Gunshot question in interview point of view. My dear students, please follow me. I'm going to take it universal functions. I'm going to show here. First, I will go for what? Summation. Spell out NUMPY summation. Don't take much time. You only read out and start here. Come on. What is the difference between summation and addition? Because these are all the things my students faced in 6 to 7 years back only in interviews. Now, what is the difference between summation and addition? Is done between two arguments, whereas summation happens over n elements. Understand? Well, come on. Add the values of ARR1 and add the values of ARR2. Import NUMPY as NP. ARR1 is equal to NP dot array of 1, 2, 3. Array 2 is equal to NP dot array of 2. Add of this. What is happening? 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. And next 3, 2, 3. That is called what? 2, 4, 6. That is called element wise addition. Add of two matrices also I passed it or not? Two matrices passed. What is happening here? We are getting the result like that. I am entering into this place, mom. All of you carefully try to follow. I'm taking the new one, new terminal. Here I am going to take it. So here I am going to write it. You observe this data here. This is called what? 246. This is 1D I am applying. Can I apply 2D also? Already you know 2D now? Already you know 2D. So coming to this place now. Coming to this place now. Here I am going to take it. Here I am writing 2, 3, 4. I will take it. Here I am going to write a 2, 3, 4. I am writing. This part is called what? Reshape of what? 2, comma 2. And this is called what? Reshape of what? 2, comma 2. Now I am going to add it. It is called element wise addition only. Already covered. So it is called element wise addition only. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4. And don't think like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And plus what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4. Are you getting this answer or not? This is called what? Element wise addition. It can add two elements also. A plus 10 plus 20 also it can give you. That is known as what? Addition. Addition or summation? Addition and sum is same or different? Good. Will you express that part? Yes. Still, I will show you the documentation, my dear students. Online students. Next, sum of the values of ARR1 and ARR2. Come on, ma. ARR1, 1, 2, 3. ARR2, this one. Sum of what? ARR1 with ARR2. I am passing in the form of list or tuple. I am passing it. ND array I am passing like that. It is going to add the first two elements sum plus second two elements sum added together becoming what? 12. That is called a cumulative sum. First year marks plus second year marks are added together. You are getting like that. This is called a summation of values. Summation of values we are getting it. Go to this place. Now I am writing it. Here I am writing a comment here. Sum is going to be completely different from addition. Clear up? Well, here I am going to write it. Dear students, I'm going to show you one more kind of thing. Here I will write it. Here I'm going to write it. I'm writing here called what sum of. I'm writing it here. Sum of I'm writing it here. You observe it. I'm getting here. You are getting only integer scalar values converted into index. And if you go to this place, here I'm trying to show you. Here I'm trying to show you an example. I will be looking it once. So go to this place. Here, if you look at sum operations, here if you go to that summations, if you go to it, of course it is going to be the same. In this case, sum of these values we are getting. What is happening here? Axis is equal to 1, axis is equal to 2. I'm writing. This is called what? Normal values. I got it. Perform the sum of values over the axis. Axis, I'm going to write it. Do you know the axis meaning there, mom? What is the axis meaning? First element sum and the second element sum, both of them are going to come. That is my next continuation process. Here you come back to this place. Here, whenever you are writing like this, of course, I need to write like this. Here I am writing like this. Here I am trying to mention like that. You are getting what? 20. What is the meaning of 20 there? Come on, mom. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 10? Na? To sum. First year marks away. Second year marks are also what? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is that now? 10. 10 plus 20 is called what? 20. Are you following me? Well, next I'm going to write it. Come on here. I'm writing here. Tell me. Comma. Axis is equal to what? 1. Axis is equal to 1. What are the elements are getting? What are the elements I'm getting? So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this now? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this now? Come on. What is this now? 1 and 3. What is the value? 4. 1 and 3. What is the value? 4. 2 and 4. What is the value? 6. 2 and 4. What is the value? That is known as what? Column wise. Getting, students? See how many sums are there. మనం ఏమనుకున్నాం ఇంతవరకు సమ్ అంటే రెండు ఒకటి అనుకున్నాం, బట్ దే ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ ఆర్ నాట్. దిస్ యూ హౌ టు క్యారీ ఫార్వర్డ్. దిస్ యూ హౌ టు క్యారీ ఫార్వర్డ్. ఎస్, ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్ ఫైర్ అవుతుంది అక్కడ. ఎవరి ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెసింగ్ దేర్ ఎమోజీ సింబల్స్. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈస్ ఫైర్ అని. ఎస్, వెన్ యూ గో టు అన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ యూ హౌ టు ఫైర్. అన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ షుడ్ టేక్ ఫైర్ ఇస్ వెరీ నైస్. దిస్ ఫైర్ ఐ వాంట్ అని యూ హౌ టు ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ లైక్ దట్. లైక్ దట్. Okay, thank you, my dear students. Come to the subject. Be like a fire. Fire. If somebody touch your finger, their finger has to cut with your subject. Correct. Axis is equal to what, ma? 0. This is called what here? Axis is equal to 0. My dear students, start with. Come on, ma. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 1, 2. Come on. 3. Next, 7, where it is? 7. So 1 plus 1. Okay. It is okay. 1 minute, 1 minute. Myself, I am getting 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is all you have to remember. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this is going to be here? Axis is 0. This is very, very important. This 1 and 1. Come on. 2 and 2. 3 and 3. 4 and 4. 8. This is also one more kind of sum carrying. Axis is what here? 0. This is nothing but taking as what? Row elements will be considered. Row elements will be considered. So row and row elements considered. Here what? Column wise elements considered. Here I will write it. Column wise elements considered. Here I will write it. Column wise elements will be considered. Next I will write it. Any other syntax I am going to see. Here I will look into this. This is an axis wise, you got it. Axis wise you got it. Take this type of information. What is that information here? This is 2D related. Got it. Now I am going to take it 1D related. Axis is equal to 1 I am saying. What is an answer? What is an answer? 6 and 6. I got it. Are you following me? Next, be careful. I'm going to take it as what? Axis is equal to what? 0. What are the elements I got it? Come on. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3. Earlier what? 6. And what is this? 6, 6. What is this now? 1, 1, 2, 2 like this. Got it. Alright. So how to remember these many? ఇదే కదా subject అంటే. This is only the subject now. How many sums? Addition. Sum of row, sum of 1D, sum of 1D with axis 0, sum of elements axis with 1, 2D with axis 0, 2D with axis 1, 2D without axis also, you know. These things if you want to do, roaming here and there, opening all of a sudden NUMPY, you will become pi. Problem will come. So continuous practice is required. Are you following now? This is called what function? What operation? Summation. Sum operations. Sum operation. Types of what? Sums. Types of sums. Types of sums in NUMPY. How many types of sums I forget? Come on. 2 types. One is addition and one more is sum of. Okay now? Add with 1D, add with 2D, sum with 1D, sum with 2D. Sum with axis 0, sum with axis 1. If you follow it every day, you will remember. Monthly once or monthly, bi-monthly, if you open it, subject is collected away, garbage collector only. That's why regular in touch with the subject until you get the job. Because once you go to the job, you are daily with the subject only. Otherwise, salary will not come. Correct? So, come to the point of it. Now I will move to the further. So now I will go to, this is called a summation. Are you following me now? Right. So, very big message is coming. Yashoda, student Yashoda Rao. Okay. So I will just take out that message because when he put that, when she or he, I don't know, maybe Yashoda Rao, maybe she or he or maybe, okay. I'm thinking girl. I want to. So, because when she took that much pain to type it, I would read out. Sir, after I attended your classes, the quality of teaching with a deep subject, I can't able to listen other faculty classes due to the difference between why quality of teaching. Your teaching makes us confident that I can learn anything. Thank you very much for teaching such kind of quality of education nowadays. I guess you are the okay. So, thank you, ma'am. Now I'll move to the further. Thank you, my dear students. Because this type of comments will put uh, lot of commitments, responsibilities still towards to the bottom student. Also, I want to reach it. Right, that is my commitment. It's my responsibility. I have to, otherwise waste. So, anyhow, come to the passages. So, Rama, Rama R. Okay, sir. Okay, okay, ma. Thank you. So, so right now I will come to okay. Okay, Pranay. Okay, so you are coming to know about it. Okay, ma. Okay, okay. So, because all our students will come with a mouth publicity only, here and there, something like that. So, no, no, Rohit Kumar. So, not like that. Come to the point. See, now come to the point. Let me introduce the subject. Thank you for your compliments. Let me serve you for good and let me concentrate on my class. Are you following me in this sum? How many types of sums? One is sum of, add of. Now I'm coming to what? This is what is this? Sum of. What is this now? Add of. Now extra what is coming now? Cumulative sum is going to come. Cumulative sum. This is sum only with varieties. Now I'm going to come to sum. Come on, start. Cumulative sum means partially adding the elements in the array. Example, partial sum of 1, 2, 3, 4 would be 1 element. First element, 1 plus 2. Next, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Next, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. What is the answer? 1, 3, 6, 10. I want to apply. Cumulative sum. Now I am going to use which function? CUM of. Spell out. Like that only you spell out in interview. Because you have to confuse to the interviewer, I said already. Either you confuse or you explain. Like this. Perform this kind of thing. Cumulative sum, I am going to take it, students. And you are already well aware of it, students. The cumulative sum, which is not a big deal for you, which is an easy for you. And you got the answer called what? 136. 1 as it is you are keeping. And next is called what? 1 plus 2 you are keeping. And next is called what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 you are keeping. That is called something like this. Are you able to follow now? Right. This is called what sum here? Cumulative sum we can call. Clear up? Well, let us go to the next event here. Next execution I will go for it. Next one is I'll go to products. Spell out products. How many? Two. More number of products you have already seen. And let me open because it is open. It is easy. That's why I'm showing directly to you. Because I prepared it systematically. To find the product of elements in the array, we use what? PROD function. Already we know dot of, matmul, multiply of, inner of, outer of, all those things you know. But additionally we are getting what? Product of. Now go to the place. What is the product of? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 is called what? 24. This is called a product. Not a difficult, simple only. I'm going to take as it is. Let me go to this place, notepad here. Now I'm entering here. Right, students? Now I'm going to take it. Here I'm going to get it. What is this now? Product of. So import I is missing there, ma. I is missing there. It is called what? 24. What is the cumulative product? Already you know. Cumulative sum, how you are doing? Like that cumulative CUMPROD, you need to use it. Let me go to the notes. Go to that. Here I am going to get it. ARR of. Now I am going to take two. This is only one element, it is multiplied. Second element I am going to take it. Start with cumulative product are not product only with the two things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to take it product of ARR1 and ARR2. What is this ARR1 and ARR2? All these elements will be multiplied with each and everything. Are you getting this answer or not? This is called the product of what? Two ND array objects. So find the product of two ND array objects. I'm going to take it. Here I'm going to write it. Finding the product of two ND array objects. So there I'm going to write it and you are going to get this answer. For your better clarity here, I will carry this answer also. Whenever you refer the notes and I want to get you this entire things for you. Are you following me? Done. Coming to know the next of it, and I'll go to, are you following? I think so. It is a dead easy student because we have seen many functions of that. Next I'm going to say product over what? Axis. Like sum over axis you have seen, na? Sum over axis you have seen. Come on. If you specify the axis 1, NumPy will return product of each array. So it is going to be import of this is called which array? What ND array it is? 2D. 2D. This is a row and this is a column or not? What is this? X is equal to NP dot product of ARR. X is equal to what? 0. Here axis is equal to 0 represents what? Column product. So let me take up. Here I am going to write it. I will carry these things now, students. I'll keep it here and I will write it. I'll keep this now. Product over axis. Product over an axis. Here I am writing column product. Print ARR here. Print of what? Given array. Given array or given matrix. Print of ARR for your clarity. Because this is a dead easy here. It's not a difficult for you students. That's why I'm showing directly this content for you. Because you have seen yes, I will write it. ARR I will write it. And this is the one. And print this now. Here I'm getting it. What is this now? 1 into 3, 2 into 4, and 3 into 5. Are you following me? Yes. Now go to the next one. I'm going to carry this now. Perform the summation of the following over first axis. And what is happening here you see. Find the product. So I'm going to write it. This is not the summation product. This is my things and I'm writing product of this case. What is an axis is equal to here? 1. 1 represents what? Row product. Axis is equal to 0 called what? Yes. Here you go for it. I am writing it. We got this type of answer here. Carry the same thing. Here I will carry. You try to follow me once. I will take up. Here I will carry on. Axis is equal to 1 I am writing. Just to check it. So what it is going to be happening? 1 into 2 into 3. Come on, ma. Axis is equal to 1 is called what? Come on. 1 into 2 into 3. 3 into 4 into 5. 3 into 4, 12. 12 5 ja. ఎందుకు మీరు చెప్పలేదంటే మల్టిప్లికేషన్ టేబుల్స్ రావు మనకు. Don't know. Frankly speaking, do you know 19th table? Do you know 19th table? Do you know 19th table? Do you know? You know. నువ్వు నవ్వుతున్నావు అంటే రాదని అర్థం. రైట్. గర్ల్స్ డూ యూ నో 19th టేబుల్? చెప్పండి మా. ఎస్సా? నో. మీరు చెప్పలేదంటే అర్థమైంది నాకు. మరి ఫాలోయింగ్ మీ? రైట్. దిస్ ఈస్ యాక్సిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వాట్? 1. Now I'll go to this is called what? Only 1D with a column product and this is called what here? Normal values. One value only product I found out. This is a 2 arrays I found the product. All of. This is called 2D with product over axis. Over axis. It is also over access called one row product it is. Now I'm going to take it. Two arrays I'm going to take it. Two arrays I'm going to take it. No confusions. After going to home, keep your notes. Write perfectly for you. This is called one array. This is called another array. And access is equal to what? 1. So how it is going to be? Come on, come on. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. What is that? 24. 2, 3 is 6. 6, 4 is 24. 5, 6 is 30. 30 into 8, 240. 240 into 7. 7, 200 so 1400. 760 so 240. 1400 plus 240, 1640. అలా చదువుకోలే మొదలు something like that. This is an answer you will get it. This is an answer you will get it. Are you following me? This is called which one? Axis is equal to what? Row. Represents what? Row. This is a row. This is a row. Go to next. Go to the same. I will go to. Go to next. Here I will take it. Axis is equal to what? 0. This is saying what? 1. Column. So here axis is 0. So here I will get it. Come on. 1 into 5, 2 into 6, like that, like this. All right. Yes. Fine. Go to this place here. Go to this place here. I will get it. Where is it? Here. It is done. Next one. It is here. I will go to the same thing. I'll get it here. See, students. Here I am writing. Dot what? Reshape of 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2. Come on. What is this now? Reshape of 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2. Here I will write it. Array 1. Array 1. Array 1. Okay. Print of what here? A. Array 2. I will take it. Array 2. I'm going to write it. Array 2. This is called array 1. Write it. I will write it. Array 1. Array 2. So here I will write it. Print of this data. This is array 1. Next I will go to array 2. This is the given data here. This is array 1. Array 2. What is this access is equal to? 1 I will take it. First I will take this array. This is the 1 I will take it. This is the 1 I will take it. Array 1. This is the 1 I will take it. Says what here? Come on. Row. So take care. Here I am going to write it. Take care, students. All of you. What is this now? Come on. This is called a row. What is this? 1 into 3. This is the row. What is that? 35. 2 into what? 4. And next is what? 6 into 8. 48. ఇది స్టూడెంట్ ఈస్ థింగ్ ఇవన్నీ ఎట్లా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి అసలు హౌ టు రిమెంబర్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ యూ టు డైలీ వెన్ యూ స్లీప్ బుక్ విల్ బి విత్ మీ వెన్ ఐ గో టు పానీపూరి ఈటింగ్ బుక్ విల్ బి విత్ మీ నూడిల్స్ ఈటింగ్ టైమ్ book will be with me. Every moment, wherever you go, Python should follow you. Will you carry every day? Yes. Next, go to. This I will go to. Next one is what? Axis is equal to what? 0. 0 says what? Column product. Column product. Yes. So, start here. What is that? In this column, matching with 1 into 5, 5, 7 into 3, 21, 2 into 6, 12, 4 into 8, 32. 32. You are getting, sorry, ఇది చూసేసరికి అది పోతుంది, అది చూసేసరికి ప్రీవియస్ పోతుంది. You can understand your mindset. This is called remembrance. When I see access over the product, previous access is going. But if you remember all these things, if you go to interview, you will confuse to interviewer and will show your output. Interviewer will confuse, you will feel that you are a great. Because you don't know subject, you know you are showing output in the class with perfect outputs. Correct or not? When interviewer is not understanding, it is not your mistake. You don't know the subject. That's why you are showing everything correct. If error is coming, value error, attribute error is coming, you are wrong because you don't know Guido Van Rossum subject. How is elephant subject you don't know. Correct? Yes. This is called what? Product over axis is 0. Clear or not? Right. This is called what product? Product of 1D, product of 1D with columns, product of 1D with rows, product of 2D with rows, product of 2D with columns, total product of 2D. How many products? ఇప్పుడే 6 అయిపోయినాయి. ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్నర్, outer, dot, matmal, so many are there. 2 into 3 also, one two-way multiplication is also there. See, think about it. Now I'm going to enter into what? Cumulative product. Spell out. What is the cumulative product? Come on, cumulative product. What is the function name, ma'am? CUMPROD. Like a CUM, SUM, like that. CUMPROD. Come on, what is the partial product? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Come on, 1. What is the next product? 1 into 2. What is the next product? 1 into 2 into 3. What is the next product? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. That is an output. That is an output. Cumulative product. Cumulative product. So I'm going to take up cumulative product. Beautiful. So I'll take it. Cumulative product. So I'm going to take up here cumulative product. Array. This is the one. I'll print a given array. Given array. So array 1. So I'm going to take up print of what? ARR 1. Now this is a data. And cumulative product. So I'm writing here. Cumulative product is equal to, like this I'm writing it. So are you following me? What is this now? ARR only, not ARR. So are you getting or not? What is the cumulative product? 5 is 5. 5 into 6. 5 into 6 into 7. 30 into 7 is 210. 210 into 8, 1680. అంతే కదమ్మా. This is 5. 5 into 6. What is that? 7 into 30, 210. 8 into 210, 210, 200 into 8 is 1600. 8 tens, 8, 16, 1680. It is output. What is this now? Cumulative product. First month you got a profit of 5 rupees. Second month you are getting a profit of what? Previous month profit plus today's profit, you are getting more profit. Like that, you are getting business tactics. You are getting more profit. That is called what? Cumulative products. Correct. So these are all very important in statistical applications. So if they say find the cumulative sum, immediately what will strike in the brain from my class? CUM, SUM. Sum over axis, add over the axis, add over the total ND array, product over the ND array. Everything is in our notes. Well, come down to the next one. I'm going to write it. Cumulative product over what? Axis. Cumulative product over the axis. This is my array. What matrix it is? 3 by 3. 3 by 3 now. Inner list. 3 by 3. 3 by 3. Go to this. 3 by 3. Check it. Once. Online students. So, online students. See that. This is called 3 by 3 or not? I will add cumulative product. Now I'm saying taking this one. Cumulative product I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to write it. In this case. Because it is easy now. That's why I'm not typing like regular days. Cumulative product ARR, axis is equal to 1. Axis is equal to represents what? Row product. So here I am writing it. Students, come on to the point of it. Cumulative product of row 1, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 2 into 3. So, okay now? Yes. Next, 3, 3 into 4 is 12. 3 into 4 into 5 is 60. Next, 2, 2 into 3 is called 6. 2 into 3 into 5 is called 30. What is this now? Cumulative product over the rows. Beautiful. I'll go to the what next? Cumulative product over the columns. 0. 0 says what here? Column. Yes. What a beautiful subject. Come on, start with column. Is the column. What is this now? 1. 1 into 3. 3. 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 3 into 2. 6. Come on, next what? 2. 2 into 4. 8. 2 into 4 into 3. 24. 3. 3 into 5. 15. 3 into 5 into 5. That is called 15 into 5. That is called what? 75. 75. Are you following me? Beautiful. How many cumulative sums? 1 D cumulative sum, 2D cumulative sum over columns, 2D cumulative sum over rows. How many sums, products, see? Great subject or not? But remember all these things or not? You see YouTube, XTube, JTube, everything you see, you will be punctured. Nothing is there in that. What you like? You say in Zusan, Python in 1 hour in Telugu. Python 1 hour in Telugu. How many reviews? Mala దాని మీద heading 1 million reviews. That you can understand how many people are going in wrong direction. That means all Telugu people will want to learn Telugu Python. When you go to north, Nagpur or something, Pune, they will ask you, tell me what is the dictionary in Telugu. అక్కడ నువ్వు నిఘంటు అన్నావు, నిఘంటు ఏదంటే నిఘంటు అంటారు కదా తెలుగు. యూ డోంట్ నో తెలుగు ఇంగ్లీష్ రెండు రావు మీకు. నిఘంటు అంటే డిక్షనరీ, తెలుగు మీనింగ్. మీకు తెలుగు రాదు, ఇంగ్లీష్ రాదు, నాకు తెలుసు అది. If you say to Nagpur, Pune person, he the Hindi student, if you say this, first of all, he will say, please go out of it, he will say. Because these persons are training in Telugu, in Python, and they are misguiding or not. You have to directly tell them, learn everything in Telugu, no, Hindi, no, Marathi, no. You learn everything in English. Because wherever you go, you need to be an international programmer. Are you Telangana, Andhra Pradesh Python student? Huh? You want to put your boundary 4 walls? No, it should be open top. You have to visit your journey in the open top of Python. You can work in Chinese, Germany, wherever you look. Like dictionary is dictionary only. Items function only. Copy function only. Wherever you go, same only. Guido Van Rossum is a universal developer or not? That's why make your scope as wide. Python in Telugu in 2 hours. In 2 hours you will learn Python. Huh? You open it, and if there is variables also, they are unable to teach properly. That is for their business purpose. They will try to do something, and they will say, watch it up to the end of the video. And when you watch up the end of the video, they will increase their rating. First of all, immediately go to that T dot symbol. Don't recommend this channel at all. You say report it. Don't send this type of message where people are disturbing in the society or to tell. Correct or not, students? Correct or not? Yes. So don't try to enjoy. And I've seen one more also. When MCQs are coming in industry, they will say, some people will say, without knowing the subject also, you can answer MCQ correctly. How? Please watch this video. 1,000 views are there. Because all of them are going that direction, wrong direction. And they will take some A, B, C, D. See, this is called what? 10, 15, 16, 17. They will say what? Definitely this is not an answer. Why this is odd man out? He answer undadu. 15, 16, 17. Anyone answer is there, you select C entered. Answer is there in B and C only more and more. So any one of it you select it. If your luck is good, entered malla. If your luck is good. What people will do? They will try to apply. They will lose their opportunity. So for example, I am there. What I will give the question? I will not give the question. What I will give you? 14, 15, 16, 17 only I will give. Then what you will select? I never ask these questions. I will ask the question in the code. I'll say dash. What you will answer? What will happen? Fill in the blanks I will ask you. That time? Problem, na? That's why. That's why. Fill in the blanks. If I ask the question, what will happen? Even I set one paper. Very recently, this was conducted. I set the question in such a way that their mind was blanked. The mind was blanked that day. What is that? Questions you see. Fill in the blanks. I was tested. So I tested very long back. Something is that. What is that? Python MCQs test. You see, this was a test paper once I conducted it. So here you see my questioning. Even you search in the internet, you will not find these answers and questions. So here, questions. You copy paste. Some students will do what? They will take a pic of it, they will crap it, they will cut it, they will try to search in the internet. You take it and send it to mail, Gmail, pretend that you keep it in Gmail, you never get the answer. Because I'll prepare with a customize, I will test it, I'll keep lot of things inside. What is an answer here? You will not get it. But if you read my notes, you will get it. I'll forward it. Here, something break related statement, dash. I'm giving key also my technical team. One more question, NumPy. What is the H stack of dash? H stack, H stack. What is that stack? Horizontal. Horizontal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3 adjacent horizontal only will come. Horizontal means generally people will write 4, 5, 6 in the bottom they will write. Well, one row that another row will be coming in the same. Next is called Python. It is a PANDAS level discussion student. I kept it. Dash only. Again dash only. See that. Mind blowing. When I write it, Python of S is equal to Python of S of 2 colon minus 1 and colon colon minus 1. What is an answer? And we conduct it. And this is an answer we are having. Information STR of 2 to 8 colon colon 2 colon minus 2 AF. Mind will blank. Already I start now this kind of things. This is a one. Symmetric difference underscore update. Dash also. This is a dash. Print S3 comma. S3 is going to contain what? None. Symmetric difference underscore update is going to put the data in S1 only. S3 they will think what? S1 data only. But this is a none and everything. Symmetric difference underscore is different. And underscore update is different. Where I used to explain in our sets and all. Like that. This is Apple Mango NIT, Apple Mango Python HYD, and then S1 or S2 minus S1 of intersection bitwise operators on sets I am applying. Already explained in the class now. So this is the answers you are getting. Like this. I will send you this question paper. I will send you. Understand? It is mind blowing. This is the questions you will get in Amazon. Big companies you will get it. Right? Come. Come to the topic. So by seeing all these questions, what are you thinking? బుద్ధిగా చదువుకోవాలనిపిస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు. You are thinking that we have to go for reading well. So, Sai Varun, sir, why don't you formed your own company, sir? Well, it's real because my students are more than enough to do everything. Doing real time project is not a big deal because this is a regular practice will be there. So, but only thing is I'm lack of leadership skills. In the class, I can teach any number of hours, but the leadership skills I don't have. I can take any number of classes, but leadership qualities, influencing outside, political influencing. No, if you give me a class of hundreds and lakhs of people, I can tell. But leadership qualities, I'm very weak. So that's a point. Now, come, any of students? Thank you. So, no, author, right? Fine. So, yes, Medi, good. So, Pranay, Pranay, Devi, actually, you are the man of subject and got hold of dharma of perfect teacher, not to compromise standards of discipline. Thank you, my dear student. So, Naresh, I'll send you. Send MCQs files, sir. We will try to solve. Definitely. So, Pragnadeep, teaching and leadership are two opposite sides of same coin. Yes, Pragnadeep. So, that is only the point. I can talk to my students any number of time, but I outside people, other than my subject, I cannot speak nothing else outside. So, anyhow, come. Next up. Sandeep, sir, I don't think that you don't have leadership quality. Do you think I have leadership quality? Okay. So company name is KV Solutions. Okay. No, no, I don't keep like that. I never keep my company on my name. I will keep it as what? Students company dot .com. I'll keep. Anyhow, students, please come. Leave it. Leave it. So you are the people. Start up your own things. So bless you all with your startups and do good. You can do it. Come. So np dot array of this one and access over, and I already said access over. I said access is equal to one. I said. Are you following? This is only in NumPy. Let me come to pandas. Miracle. Last. Matplotlib. Miracle. Next, sir. What next you will say? That fire I want to create in your body. Okay, students. Are you following? Product. Types of products, you know. Yes. You have seen in my Python. Beyond Python, this is NumPy. Beyond NumPy. Pandas. Beyond pandas, matplotlib. After that, next is also there. SciPy is there, scikit is there, scikit learn is there, Eros is there, NLP is there. These are all called what? Data science related. All of them are there. Sir, how to possible all these things? Always reading, 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 reading. Workout, working out, working out. You have to go. What is happening outside, you should not know. Always subject only. So, come to the point of it. Are you following this now? Yes. This is called what, ma? This is called what here? NumPy products. That's what I'm saying to you. Any of the students want to learn Python, your relatives or something, because outside things are not good. This is what is my request to every Python student. Outside situation is not good. Any of our relatives or friends who want to learn Python, recommend here. Less money, more subject is coming. Outside, I'm feeling 75,000 full stack Python, 2 months getting completed. So painful to the parents. That's why. Are you following this now? Products. Now I'll go to the next. Next, I'm going to enter into. I will forward. I'm having so much of the data with me. So much of data with me. All of them I will send you. Okay, now go to the next. Another one I will take it. Next, I will go to this place. Here I'm going to write it. Universal functions. After that, now I'm going to take up simple arithmetic. Do you know simple arithmetic? What are the functions you know in arithmetic? Still you have done it. So coming to this point, arithmetic, simple arithmetic. Just watch it now. What is the simple arithmetic? Here something is there. Different is there. All of you know already. Something different. Something different. We used to get only one remainder now. Only one remainder we used to get it, right or not? Here multiple reminders you will get it. Just one example. 10 comma 4 comma 3. I will take it as what you know. 4 comma 2 comma 1. I'll get it. What is the remainder of this? 10 percentage 4. What is the remainder? 2. 4 percentage 2 remainder. 0. 3 percentage 1 remainder. 3 percentage 1 remainder. 1 3 remainder is what? 0. Don't know that? Thinking to start your own startup. And start students first learn subject. Because if you are a startup CEO, if some programmer is coming and speaking something, you need to catch that person or not. Learn subject. You can start. So come on, start with. So simple. What is the function first? Add off. Already you know. Used for sum of two and content of it. Returns the result array. So yes. So Srikanth, my friend joined next wave in BTech final year by paying 70K. They said 100% job, but sad reality is no job until now. This is what. The only thing is I did not say this. Already it is there in my mind. 14, 15 names are there like that. Why 70K? See how painful the Srikanth friends are paying. So, and see that content of it. Yes, author, same 55K. Q Spider 55K. These are all, bring it to your friends and relatives seriously, because we should not spend more money on education. Don't spend more money on education. These days, education becomes what? Business. Carry this message everywhere. When I went to school, that PPH school, only 10 rupees we have to pay yearly. Get PPH school. 10 rupees also asking how many times? 4 or 5 times. Fifth time also not paying. Government, no? Yes. Fine. Elementary. Next,